Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC12 in Salt Lake City. We're here at the Nirvana booth. They're part of General Atomics. And I'm here with Reid Bingham. Reid, let's start at the beginning. Who is Nirvana and who do you help?
Nirvana is a part of General Atomics, which might seem a little strange. General Atomics' background is in fusion research, actually. But General Atomics also started the San Diego Supercomputer Center, and as part of that project, data management for scientific data became a problem, and so storage resource broker was developed back in the late 90s, and then the San Diego Supercomputer and General Atomics parted ways, and General Atomics licensed what had been developed at that point and has carried it forward in the commercial space. Probably the big things we do are we connect a search space of metadata, tags of data, allows you to tag your data, with the data objects. Real simple. And along the way, we provide a framework for user identity and security in terms of access control. We allow users to be able to tag their own data, as well as organizations impose their own administrative controls on data, storage consumption, things of that nature. And most of our market is in either scientific data or basically digital product type of industries.
Okay, so I was reading your literature and it was talking about large-scale data federation. What do you mean by that?
So, for example, you might have multiple file servers. A homegrown solution to that is you have an NFS mount tree or a CIFS mount tree. Those become very clumsy and fragile in a large-scale environment. We, in effect, offer the same thing through a virtual namespace interface. And so we can federate across not only multiple file servers, across multiple sites, multiple different kinds of storage services. For example, file servers over here, your traditional filers, or just NFS servers. Object stores, for example, in the booth here, we're demonstrating the web object scaler device from DDN. And we also have tape interfaces. So we can offer a kind of sort of POSIX-looking hierarchical namespace across all of these storage resources.
And I wanted to ask you about that because what kind of reaction are you getting from this tech crowd here? These are geekiest of the geek at SC12. What kind of reaction are you getting when you tell them that this is possible?
Generally a lot of interest. They're really interested typically they have complex workflows in their environments, whether it's a science environment or in more of an industrial environment or defense industry environment. You've got engineering workflows with lots of associated documents, and in many cases you have to keep those documents for a long, long time. So the interest there is in document repositories, document management across multiple storage repositories over decades.